Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those who don't know me, my name is Aihi and I do all kind of beauty related videos, from makeup tutorials to reviews and unboxing videos. And today I'm coming with a makeup haul and I'm so excited to be filming this because I believe it is like the second one for my channel so far. And I went a little bit overboard. I have like 3 different boxes sitting in front of me with different you know, makeup products. So let me show you. Here I have all kind of eyeshadow palettes, you know, and some highlighters and stuff like that. Then here I have foundations and lip products, and then here I have a lot of brushes and beauty sponges. Okay, so I say we go right into this video because I have the feeling this is going to be like a very long video. Okay, so I'm going to start first with the palettes. So the first palette that I will show you, it is Which Side by Essence. It has some amazing shades, 15 in total, different formulas. It seems like super pigmented. So let me swatch some colors. I'm gonna try this gloomy, this deep blue shade. So this is how it looks like. Ooh, I like this color, seems so pretty, very beautiful. Next I'm gonna try Haunted. This one seems to be like a metallic one. This one is again very beautiful. So this is Haunted, again very beautiful color. And the last color I will be swatching from this palette, it is going to be Shadowy, and I believe this is like a pearly finish. So this is the shade. So I really like the color and also the pigmentation. It is like amazing. So this palette, it is a drugstore one, and all the prices I will be having here on the screen somewhere so that you know the price on every palette. Okay, so next I have a Elf palette, and this is the Opposites Attract. Again, a very beautiful palette. I don't know, but the colors are just amazing. Just look at the shades. I am also obsessed with this orange color, and as well with this purple and the green ones. I'm just dying to try this palette out. So I'm gonna be swatching this color, Happy. This is such a beautiful color. Just look the pigmentation on this one, amazing, great. Then I'm gonna be swatching Easygoing, this beautiful matte purple shade. It is to die for, like literally some amazing color. So next we have Classy and Sassy from, I don't know how you pronounce this, Weibo or Vibo, no idea, I'm so sorry for that. But here are the colors. It comes with a mirror as well, and just look how gorgeous these colors are. I am obsessed. They are so bright, so colorful. I don't know, I'm really obsessed, and especially with this yellow from down here, and you know, like this red, absolutely amazing. So I'm gonna be swatching some of the colors. It also has some glittery shades, perfect. I'm gonna be swatching the green light first. Just look at that, like, oh my god, this is amazing, this is crazy. I'm gonna be trying next Sunflower, this bright yellow. Okay, I am freaking speechless right now. Just look at the color. Okay, so I am literally speechless. Great palette, and if you're into colorful makeup, then this is definitely a palette that you need to have into your collection. Okay, so next we have another drugstore brand, again Essence Salut Paris. Again, a great everyday palette. Beautiful color combination. You have again some light shades combined with some darker ones. This is so pretty. I'm going to swatch this movie color from here, and then this shimmery one. Seems like, so these are the colors. Just look at this. Perfect. Great. Just amazing. So next I want to show you a gorgeous blush that I've got from Babor. So this is the number 2 in Rose, and it comes in this beautiful packaging, and then inside, as you can see, you have 3 different color blushes, rosy tones. Okay, so I'm going to swatch them and show you. These are the 3 ones. Beautiful, great pigment, again beautiful. And it also has here at the bottom then like this small brush if you want to use to apply your blush with it, and it also has a mirror as well. Next I have a bronze palette from Rimmel London. It comes like in 3 different shades. Beautiful to bronze your face, maybe as well use it as an eyeshadow. So here I have 2 shades from this small palette, and just look how beautiful it is. This will be just perfect as an eyeshadow to use. Beautiful. Next I have another blush from Face Zero. This is Making Moves, and this is how the blush looks like. A beautiful peachy color as well, very good to use as an eyeshadow. And oh my god, the pigmentation of this blush is just, you know, I am speechless. Next I have a highlighter from Givenchy, and by the way I have like a whole collection of makeup that I'm going to be showing you today from Givenchy. I've got like everything from them to do like a full face makeup look, so it's going to be amazing. So this is the limited edition. I just love this packaging. It looks so luxurious. I am obsessed with their products. So this is how it looks like. So it has this cute little puff that you can use you know, to apply your highlighter if you want. And I'm going to take this plastic off. Okay, just give me a minute. Oops. Okay, so I'm going to add some of that here into the cup, just like that. and see. So I'm gonna take some of that here with my finger just to show you the color. It's a beautiful golden highlighter, so pretty. And I'm swatching for you guys. Just look, this beautiful color. It is amazing. I cannot wait to actually try every product, and by that I mean like every product that I bought and I am showing you today, not only from Givenchy but like every product in this video. Okay, so now next eyeshadow palette, it is this one by Givenchy. This one is the number 9. It is a brand new. I'm so excited to try this out. If you follow me for some time now, then you probably already know how obsessed I am with Givenchy products. So I was very, excited when I saw that they came with this new makeup now, and I really had to get like almost every product because yeah. So this is the palette, and here inside we have so okay, so everything fell off. So here we have like 2 small brushes, and then here we have the colors, and just look how beautiful this palette it is. This is gorgeous. Again, I am obsessed. Yes, I know, you know this. So beautiful. Again, we have a mirror. So the colors is just brilliant. So I'm gonna be swatching some of them because, oh my god, just look at that. Just look this color. Just look, just amazing. This one again, oh my god, so crazy. So, oh Jesus Christ, just look at this. I am obsessed. This is my baby. Now we move to some Maybelline products. This is like a correcting concealer kit. You have some different shades that you can use to color correct, and then if you look closely you have some highlighter as well. So this is a great product for those who are traveling and don't want to have like a bunch of products in their makeup bag. Another eyeshadow palette will be from Too Faced, and this is the Natural Matte eyeshadow palette. Just look how gorgeous this packaging it is. It has like this beautiful writing, almost like a 3-dimensional feeling to it. Beautiful. And then, oh, and by the way, here we have a little heart. How sweet that is. And then here we get the actual shades, and it has like a nice scent. It smells something like cinnamon, chocolate, maybe some vanilla, but it smells very, very nice, and the colors are just beautiful. Okay, so we have 3 more palettes. So next palette will be this one by Carly Bible with Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I just love this packaging with these cute little dots and these pink details. Then here we have a beautiful color story, gorgeous colors. Just love the fact that it has mattes and shimmery as well metallic colors. So I'm gonna be swatching Aura. So this is like a pink bronzy metallic color, gorgeous pigment, incredibly beautiful. And to be honest, I wouldn't be expecting less from Anastasia Beverly Hills, but as well from Carly Bible. I do have another palette that she had in collaboration with BH Cosmetics a few years back, and it is again an extremely beautiful palette. Just leave me a comment below and tell me if you already have this palette and how it works for you. I will be very curious, you know, to just know more about your opinion. Okay, so now the last palette for part 1 of this video. This gorgeous palette from Lancome in collaboration with Chiara Ferragni. Just the packaging, I mean, so beautiful. It looks like a clutch. I just love this eye detail and the color, you know, with this sparkling effect. Just beautiful. And when you open it, then inside you have a mirror, and then here you have a brush, you know, to apply the highlighters and everything that this palette has. You'll also get 2 other brushes to use with this palette, and then here is the actual palette. We have a mirror, and then here is the palette. So as you can see, we have a variety of different textures and colors. Like for instance, here this is a gloss. Here you have lipsticks. Here are the eyeshadows. This pink shade, it is the blush, and then these 3 ones are the highlighter. I believe for the price it is a good deal. You have like everything you need in just one palette, and I mean also the lip colors are pretty decent. You have red, you have some, you know, more of a plump neutral color, whatever. And you also get like these 3 brushes that you can use with a palette. So now we will be moving to the second part of this video. It won't be long now, trust me, just bear with me, and let's move on.